Hi everyone, Justin here. And after a good day of hiking, you might be thinking, oh yeah, time to head on home. But you should wait, because there's a few things you should do to make sure that you're keeping yourself healthy and doing your part to keep the environment healthy as well. So first, make sure you do a quick tick check so that you know you didn't pick up any unwanted hitchhikers. So make sure you're checking all over your body, and if you find a tick, you can just brush it off if it's just walking on you. Now, if it's embedded in you, you're going to want to make sure you're using a tick tool or tweezers to pull the tick out, making sure you get the head. And then you want to just clean the area where it was. For more information about ticks, refer to your local health department. So to make sure that we're not spreading the seeds of invasive plants, it's important to clean off the treads of your shoes. So you can do this by kicking and scraping them on the curb, using a stick, or even better, have a coarse brush with you and just brush off your shoes at the end of your day. Now, just make sure your garbage goes in the bin, share your experience on social media with @RBG Canada, and look forward to your next adventure. So until next time, happy exploring.